Hi, I'm Mark Ling from Hong Kong. I work in Amber Kitchen as a junior sous chef. So today I make a recipe of the fried rice. It's a very traditional Hong Kong recipe because normally all the mama will cook for their kids for the lunch or dinner. So first of all, we have some vegetables and carrots. So we make a pan very hot and then put some olive oil, two spoons olive oil, and we fry the carrots. And the green peas. And put a little bit salt for seasoning. So now we can keep on the side. And then we can use the same pan for cooking the shrimps. Put some salt to season. And also we can put the hams together. So, and also we can put on the side and keep for the fried rice. So now we start the fried rice. First we put some olive oil and make sure the pan is super hot. So mix in. It's too hot, then you take it off. So we add the rice now. Make sure you keep separate all the rice because you don't want them sticky together. So now we can put some the other ingredients inside together. Also put seasoning, salt, and then sesame oil, soy sauce. Enjoy.